Good evening, my dear friend. Today I am going to talk about the difference between personality and character. Yeah, so have we ever wondered what is the difference between personality and character? Most of the time we think that both are same. Personality is same as character. However, there are glaring differences between the two. So what is personality? How is personality different from character then? So personality, if we talk about, is something that is outward facing, right? Such as something that is related to the projection, that is something we are projecting to the outside world, the image that we are creating to the outside world, that is personality, right? Having a good communication skill is a personality. Ability to adapt to the circumstances is a personality. Adaptability is a personality. For example, in an office environment, right, the way we are adapting ourselves, okay, that is a facet of our personality. The way we are communicating in a professional environment, and the way we are communicating in a gathering, right? So that is a part of our personality. And basically these are things that we project to the outside world. Then what is character? Character is something which is not outside looking. Character is something which is inward. Inward in the sense what comes from inside. It is inward looking. Inward looking in the sense what type of things will qualify as a character then. So truth, honesty, integrity, then hardworking nature, then your kindness, your empathy, your compassion, generosity. So all this will constitute my character. These are the inward looking trait. And then which is better? Is personality better or is character better? So my dear friend, some people, if we don't have a good character is very important. And if we don't have a good character, then possibly even if our personality is good, then we can meet success, but we cannot keep that success. It will be only a temporary success, because personality is just a outward, it's just a kind of show, things that we are showcasing to the outside world, right? But if my internally, if a person is flawed, then the success will be short lived. So we need to have a very good character, and along with that, if we can have a good personality, that person will meet with success. So without a proper personality, having a good character, having a without a proper character, having a good personality doesn't make any sense. So the first most important thing that we need to fix is our character. We need to make our character good, and then we can make our personality better. And both character and personality, when it is good, then a person definitely is going to meet success in today's world. That's the message I wanted to give, folks. So always focus on your character more and make the character better. Along with that, accentuate your personality. Keep watching Inspire to Live and inspire others to live a wonderful life. Thank you.